I wanna show you guys how to add the camera bounce effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to your project panel, new item, and create the adjustment layer. After that, drag your adjustment layer above your video clip. Following, select the adjustment layer, right click of the mouse, speed and duration, and change the duration to 5 frames. Go to Effects and write Transform. Drag the transform effect above the adjustment layer. Go to Effects Control and move the timeline to the beginning of the layer. By the transform, switch the scale on, the first stopwatch icon will appear. Move your timeline few frames ahead, press on the cycle, the keyframe will appear, and move this keyframe to the end of the layer. And then change the value to 140. As the result, you can see that another keyframe will appear in the middle of the layer. Perfect. By the transform, scroll down, and by the shutter angle, change the value to 360. Finally, just move your adjustment layer to the points where you want that your bounce effect will happen. And simply duplicate this layer along the video. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, guys. Put your like and subscribe.